Alright, to make this gear, I'm going to start. I'm going to start on this plane here. Draw my circle. And I'm going to dimension, this is going to be my base. I'm going to say 6 inches there. I'll say okay, extrude it, I don't know, 1/4 inch. Now I'll create another sketch here. And now I'm going to draw my outer one. So I'm going to draw just a circle there. And a line, that same center point, out to there. And make sure everything's all concentric here. And I'll make the sign vertical just so I have a reference point. I'm going to make both of these construction. So now I can draw my tooth. So it's going to be there. And then from here to here. And sure, make those tangent there. Give it whatever radius I want that to be. Whatever angle this wants to be here, set that size, so 7, and it's locked down now. So I can finish that, extrude that to there, add my fillets. So on this side I'm going to get kind of a bigger fillet. Just have to pick the right command. Bigger fillet there. Then on this side, a smaller radius fillet. Now we can do the pattern. So, circular pattern. I'm going to do a full part because you'll see if I try and do a feature, even just the main one, for some reason OnShape doesn't like it. I don't know why. So just do a part pattern, tell it to add it, just pick the whole part. Now we can tell it how many things to be. So right now we can see that's too many. It's crossing over, so 12, yeah, that looks good. As long as there's some space between the two fillets, we're good. So if you wanted more, you just have to make the size of the tooth less. Say okay, and there we go. So let's say I wanted to make more of those around. I wanted it to be the 16. Just go back and edit the sketch. Yeah. Make that 1. That'll decrease that. Maybe change this one to be 6.5 or whatever you want to make it less. Now we can go into the pattern and increase the number of teeth. Now we can go in and put in the holes or whatever we need. So we can drop a hole in there. Yeah. Create a sketch there. Drop a point in on the origin. Now do a hole. And we have our little gear thing done.